Prepare yourself for the impact. I am Archangel Michael. I come to be with you in this moment of continuous changes on Earth. You have been preparing for some time, not only in this life, but in others. You volunteered to come here to this planet and be part of this evolution and creating the evolution of the experience of the fourth and fifth dimension. But what is needed to do that? It needs intention. It needs your intention. It needs more intention to achieve these changes, or to allow the changes to happen. Accept the changes as they come. So it's not just about preparing for the impact, because as some of you also realize, it's about embracing the impact. It's about embracing the changes that are coming. It's about embracing each other in this ascension process. It's up to all, and each one of you to continue holding the line here. Maintain the understanding of what is to come, and maintain the understanding of what is happening at this moment on Earth. The plan is for all of you who are moving through this ascension, so prepare yourself for it. Prepare for the impact that is coming. We have been telling you for a while to buckle your seat belts, as if you were on one of the planes when you travel on Earth. But for many it will be tumultuous. They will see and feel in many cases negativity, fear, agony, suffering. But for those who have been preparing, they will see the beauty in the great universal plan. Many of you are already seeing this, are already prepared to accept it as the truth unfolds. You are preparing to receive and know the truth as it advances. You are the ones who are collapsing this third evolution, or this third illusion, and the whole alliance, and what you call the white hats. The alliance are all your galactic friends as well. They are here to help in this process. There are many working together to bring these changes. I am Archangel Michael, and I leave you in peace, love and unity, and that you hold my powerful sword of truth, and continue cutting any psychic bond that may try to hold you to this earth, and hold you to the three-dimensional earth, and the three-dimensional illusion. All of you are already in the fourth dimension, rising higher and higher, with every moment you continue moving and living life. Trust in my brothers. Trust in the great universal plan. Blessings to each one of you on earth. They are protecting you at every moment. Dear brother, beloved brother, today I address you in the name of Archangel Michael, the powerful and divine protector and defender. I send you a message of love and strength and protection for your home and your family. Archangel Michael is always present and willing to give you his support and guidance at every step of your life. Visualize your home surrounded by a brilliant bluish light, which represents the presence of Archangel Michael. This light acts as a protective shield that dissolves any negative energy, fear, or witchcraft. Just trust that this light envelopes you and your loved ones, creating a space of harmony, peace, lasting happiness. Invocation. Archangel Michael, I invoke you today to pour out your love and protection over my home, my family. Strengthen our spiritual defenses, and I ask you to place a shield of bluish light around each member of my family, keeping them safe from every physical, emotional, energetic, or spiritual danger. Guide our steps, and help us make wise and loving decisions that lead us to a happy and peaceful life. Allow us to feel your presence in every corner of our home, filling it with love, harmony, and blessings. Archangel Michael, I thank you for your constant protection and for your will to watch over our safety. May your presence be our strength, our guidance, and our peace. Dissolve any negative energy that tries to disturb our peace. Inspire us to live in harmony, abundance, and divine love. I will always be grateful for your presence, knowing that I am protected at every step of my personal and spiritual evolutionary path. Thank you for your attention and divine protection, Archangel Michael. May Archangel Michael always be with you as the divine protector that he is, with his brilliant blue ray. Blessings to all. I am Maria Lustig, voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. If this content resonated with you, do not forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you.